No matter if you go to Belarus by plane, bus or train, the chances are really high that you will at some point end up in Minsk. Located almost in the center of Belarus, you can't really miss it. And in this video we're gonna show you why you also shouldn't. First of all, Minsk is huge. Therefore, don't expect to be able to see everything in one day. So why not stay in an apartment close to the city center for some time? Basically, no matter where you are, most of the houses just look like this if you're in the hallways or in the staircase. And here is what 140 rubles per night will give you directly in the center of Minsk. First of all, we have this comically huge door. Maybe I'm just short, who knows? And here we are. It's a beautiful spacious room over here. Small bathroom, kitchen, which is over here. Looks like this. It comes with, you know, coffee, tea, everything. Everything's pretty modern here, so don't be distracted by the kind of old look on the hallways and staircases. Inside, they can be absolutely beautiful, and it's the inside that matters after all. Most importantly, check out the view that we have. Windows are a little bit dirty, eh? So let's just open that one. Boom, there you go.
Hi! We came out of the apartment that is right there. This building, this particular building over here, is where we live.
We have like a 2-minute walk or something, and we're directly in the center of Minsk, and therefore also close to all of the main attractions that you can see over here. The Holy Spirit Cathedral in Minsk really stands out from all other surrounding buildings on the whole square. If you take a look, there's another church over here, there's some other church over here, there's some more things over there, but you'll probably just notice this one right away. But it has its right to do so, since this cultural heritage object is the central cathedral of the Belarusian Orthodox Church. The cathedral was built in the 17th century and is still actively used today. Another sight to behold is the Minsk City Hall, right behind the statue of Void with the symbolic key of the city. The City Hall has been built in the late 16th century, then destroyed about 300 years later, before rebuilding started in 1980. Nowadays, the City Hall also contains a museum about the history of Minsk. On the other side of the Svislach River, the National Academic Bolshoi Opera and Theatre will probably catch your attention. You may have heard Bolshoi Theatre before and may now think about the one in Russia, but Bolshoi basically means big in Russian, so the one in Belarus is also living up to its name. The rest of the name is also pretty self-explanatory, so if you're a fan of opera or ballet, this theatre will definitely be a destination for you. A bit further away from the center of Minsk, you will see some obelisk with a glass building halfway around it. In this building you will find a museum about World War II, or as they call it, the Great Patriotic War Museum. We weren't able to get in because it was being renovated, but luckily there's another attraction right next to it. Well, those fountains may not be that impressive as the Dubai fountains are, but still, they have fountains over here in Victory Park. Which victory are we celebrating here?
World War victory that we think we won.
As soon as you go from the main entrance, which is somewhere behind us, you walk up straight to those fountains that you can see right over here. And there's a boat incoming. You can also do boat tours here.
They do have blankets there on the boat. Would be really nice.
Sadly, our streak of good weather was over that day, so yeah, we were sitting on the boat wrapped in blankets. This gigantic 200-hectare park with its 40-hectare lake is definitely one of the most beautiful ones in Belarus. In good weather, at least. Anyway, let's head back into the center. Hello! Hello! Car sharing.
Very nice.
Hello, car sharing. That's
yeah. Hello. Hello is the name of a car sharing that I'm using and we're using. It's very, very convenient to travel. It's very good prices for it. You can rent per minute, you can rent per hour, day, or a couple of days. You can go anywhere within Belarus, but you always have to finish your rent in Minsk. It's same price as taxi, even sometimes cheaper. The only thing that would be a downside is you have to park yourself. If you're a foreigner, I think you need to have a driver's license, but...
I think you also need a driver's license if you live here, by the way.
Yes. To be on the safe side, just make this international driver's license. You'll be good for any other car rental, not only car sharing. You do everything through the app. In the app, you just send them pictures, done. You'll be approved within a day. Yeah, just good. Let's start the class.
Of course, there's also a lot of options for public transport like bus, metro and taxis. All of those options are pretty cheap for what they offer and get you through the whole city without any problems. As we went back into the city center, it was slowly getting dark. But in the darkness, the city comes alive again in a whole new light. We're just gonna get immersed in the bar street tonight. So I guess this is what a classic Sunday in Minsk looks like. People are out here, people are dancing, people are enjoying the night with all kinds of, I don't know, lights, different bars around, every bar playing some different style of music. This is what life is all about, I would say.
And Belarusians are enjoying it to the fullest.
And me too. And you will too. We're back here at our favorite place where we always kind of end up. Normally there's live music over here. There was today, but as soon as we got in, they basically stopped playing because they didn't want to play for us.
Yes, it plays live music and never plays any Russian songs, which I enjoy.
So if you want to experience real Belarus, don't go here. Let's start our nightlife.
Woohoo!
She didn't look me in the eyes. Do you know what that means? Actually, let us know if you know what that means. I don't know if it's a German thing or a general one. I just want to know.
I got a pork neck in a white mushroom sauce with potatoes covered with cheddar cheese.
I got the classic ribs, you know? I'm a simple man. I like ribs. Of course, this is one of the many places you can go depending on your food and drink preferences. And if you don't want anything to eat or drink, you can just go out and enjoy the lights and aesthetic. And as long as you're not there, you can enjoy these lights in our Minsk night portrait video. That being said, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video or thought that it was helpful, please leave a like down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to either write a comment or direct message me on Instagram. The link is in the description. We also got some more places in Minsk coming up in the next video. And if you don't want to miss that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you really want to make sure that you don't miss out on that. Thank you very much for watching. Nalvando signing out. Roll the outro.